What if I told you you could make Koobideh Kebab at home juicier, smokier, and even better than a restaurant? No fancy tools. Just a few simple ingredients, a little love. And this video. This dish is all about simplicity. Ground meat, onion, salt, pepper. But trust me, behind this simplicity, there's a secret. The onion, it's everything. Grate it fine, then squeeze out the juice. That step right there? That's the difference between a firm kebab and a floppy fail. 13. Not gently, firmly. You're not just mixing. You're building texture, strength, flavor. Think of it as crafting the soul of the kebab. Let it rest. Not just to chill but to come together. A rested kebab holds its shape, keeps its pride. Time to shape. Gentle fingers, confident hands. Form those ridges. Press just right. This isn't just food, this is tradition, passed down in fingertips. You know what's amazing? This kebab has been around for centuries. Some say it began with Persian warriors grilling meat on their swords over open fire after battle. Others trace it to royal kitchens, where chefs perfected every bite to impress kings. But today, it's no longer just a dish of warriors or kings. It's a taste of home, something that brings families together, from Tehran to Toronto. Don't forget the tomatoes, smoky, sweet, the perfect partner to your Koobideh. Here's something you should know about Iranians. We eat rice with everything. Grilled meat, rice. Stew, rice. Even sometimes fries? Yup. Still rice on the side. For us, rice isn't just food, it's comfort. It's the soft landing for every bold flavor on the plate. This isn't just a meal, it's a celebration. A little sumac, a sip of yogurt drink. You made this. And you nailed it. If you felt even a little hungry watching this, hit like, subscribe, and tell me. How do you like your kebab? 30.